Let's not waste any time. Your future career starts right now. Students in high school and even college often think they have plenty of time before they need to think about their professional futures. But the truth is, the earlier you start building your career game plan, the better prepared you'll be when it's time to start the job hunt. Think of this chapter as your playbook to laying the groundwork for your future job search, no matter what path you decide to take. Start early in your own backyard. Babysitting, dog walking, serving popcorn at the movie theater. Your first job doesn't have to be glamorous. It just needs to teach you how to show up, how to follow through, and how to work with people. Your first job builds your work ethic and teaches you professional habits early that will form your foundation later on. Tip: apps like Nextdoor and local WhatsApp groups are gold mines for neighborhood gigs. Do you have a neighbor with a new puppy and a hectic schedule? Congratulations, you just found your first hustle. If you're under 18, keep in mind that depending on your state, you may need a work permit for certain jobs. A quick search online can tell you how to get one. Networking isn't just for business people. You've probably heard the word networking tossed around, but here's the secret. It's not just for business people with fancy job titles. Networking is something you can and should start building early. Whether you're in high school or college, the relationships you form now can help you when it's time to pursue your first job or internship. Think of it this way. All those hours you spent trying to grow your Snapchat network, expand your Instagram following, and figure out who's hosting the next big party, that's networking. Now, we're not saying you need to bring your Instagram hustle straight into the job market. However, the skills you've developed in socializing, making connections, and keeping up with different platforms will translate into networking for your career. When you're ready to start looking for jobs, LinkedIn will replace your Snapchat. But it's the same concept. Start treating your social network like your future professional network. It'll pay off. You need money and you need experience. Let's go. When you enter your teens, you're going to want your independence. That often starts with the need to make your own money. You may want to join your friends at the mall, go to the movies on a Friday night, or save up for your first car. Whatever the case may be, the need for cash is a real motivator. We call it the money motivator, and it's the driving force behind why most young adults start thinking about getting a job.